My name is Erika Olivas, and today I will be doing a first grade lesson with Jocelyn Perez on graphing. Graphing activities help build strategies for counting, comparing, and keeping track of quantities. It also teaches children to collect, record, and represent data in a variety of ways. First graders are at the end of the pre-operational stage and at the beginning of the concrete stage based on Piaget's cognitive stages. In this grade, it is best to give students opportunities to touch real objects during learning. It's also important for them to ask questions and explain things back to you. This will allow them to mentally manipulate information. The activity I will be doing will be structure. I have chosen the activity and I will also direct the student to perform the activity. I will start the activity by giving the student a bag with hearts. The student will sort and use tally marks to show the number of color hearts. The student will then transfer this data to a bar graph. Last, the student will read data from the finished bar graph. The technique that I'm using for this lesson is probability and statistics. The student displays data in an organized form. Objectives for this lesson. The student will collect and sort data. The student will complete a bar graph. Time to start with our lesson all about graphing.
7 greens.
Which we have red, green, blue, yellow, and pink heart colors for this activity. Like I said before, graphing activities help develop number sense and strategies for counting, comparing, and keeping track of quantities. Graphing also teaches children to collect, record, and represent data in varieties of ways. So now that we've collected the data, Jocelyn, we're going to do a heart graph. We're going to color in the number of spaces for each heart color. So here are the colors represented with your markers, and you can just color in each block or each set will represent one, right? So now, Jocelyn, that you finished doing your bar graph, let's look at it. Let's pay close attention to it. Let's look at our results. What are our results? What do we see? So what do we have the most hearts of? What color do we have the most?
Red.
Yes, that's right. And what do we have the least colors heart of?
Pink and blue.
Circle the color that's the greatest of the hearts. And draw a rectangle to the fewest of the hearts. Yes, good job. So why did you do both of those, Jocelyn?
Because they're both the same and they're both the smallest.
That's right. Good job. So now this covers our lesson for graphing. Jocelyn has done a wonderful job understanding the concepts of graphing and sorting data and also collecting the data with tally marks.